Hi, I'm Kathleen McElwaine, and I'm a brand ambassador for Daniel Smith watercolor paint. And on occasion, I have new colors that I want to try in my beginner's watercolor palette. And so I have created a new palette. It has some of the same old colors, like this one is Hansa Yellow Light. And then the next one is quinacridone red, which is a really nice red. It'll go pink or it will go a pretty deep red. And then right there, I used the cerulean, I'm sorry, no, that one's New Gamboge, which is the one that's been on my palette for some time. And the next color is Phthalo Blue Red Shade. And then this is Carbazole Violet. Try to get my brush real clean there. And then Phthalo Yellow Green. And then I have put Sap Green in. Nope, that is Serpentine Genuine. I'm really confusing you, but this is Serpentine Genuine. Oops, I picked up a little bit of the other color, so I'm cleaning my brush, and now I'm going to come over and make sure that I just get the permanent orange. And then quinacridone burnt orange, which is like burnt sienna. It's just a little more, it's transparent rather than being not transparent, which is the way the other color is. And then this is indigo. And now then I'm going to show you what the new colors are. And I put them together in my palette so that I can make a decision about whether I want to replace the old color with the new color. It keeps me on my toes. So this is cerulean blue, and it is not as transparent as the New Gamboge. It has a few drawbacks, a little bit granulated, but it's a beautiful, beautiful color. And then this one is quinacridone purple, which is a redder purple and has, it's very rich, and it is a transparent purple. And then this one is a color called Transparent Pyrone Orange. And it is beautiful, beautiful color. And can really, really enhance a red or become much more orange with a little bit of yellow. So thank you for joining me and learning about my beginner's palette. Thank you.